In this guide, we're going to walk you through how you can use two Apple IDs on a single iPhone. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe for even more tutorials. There's many reasons why you might want to use two Apple IDs on one iPhone. Maybe someone else is borrowing your device and needs to access their own account temporarily. To do this though, begin by opening up that Settings app and at the top, tap on your Apple ID profile. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, there's going to be a section for media and purchases. Go ahead and click on this because this can actually use multiple Apple IDs. You're going to want to sign out of your main one right here and remove that current Apple ID from the App Store. Then you can exit up your settings and go to that App Store and tap on the profile icon in the top right. From here, you can actually just go ahead and sign in to whatever Apple ID you'd like to use for downloading or purchasing apps. This is great for game sharing on an iPhone. It's actually really convenient. This now will let you keep one Apple ID for iCloud and the other for the App Store. If you have any questions about this entire process, don't hesitate to let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe before leaving this video. Have a good day.